Ang buhay natin ay isa lang. Palaging piliin na maging masaya. Sa bawat tao ay maraming pagsubok.
Yeah, that one. That one is another.
This one?
That one is pandesal.
Oh, and then how about the...
That one is cheese bread. Yeah, another cheese bread. Very hot, no? Ay, may customer tayo, ha? Ano, Taiwanese. Maarte pa naman to kasi basher ko to eh. Mainit, mainit. Masarap talaga pag mainit. Di ba? Ayusin yung comment. What's your comment? Masarap? Masarap? Sobra?
Po iyang the feeling.
Yeah, puyang if it's hot, right? ito. Ano comment? Mayain. Oh, lami?
Tikman
Oo,
mo yung
masarap. How to daw?
luto, kasi po iyang yung bagong luto.
Kaya nga, masarap talaga. Gustong-gusto niya. Init na init siya.
You take out fresh. I still have to do.
Yeah. It's really good if
Better fresh.
fresh bake, no? Okay.